guys, welcome back to my channel. I am on vacation. Well, not vacation, but I drove to Tennessee to visit my mom, and I decided to run into CVS. So let's jump in and see what we can do. Guys, look at this. I have not had any CRTs for so long. I forgot what it looks like getting CRTs. Look at this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So this is my CVS haul for this week. Huge fail, huge fail, but stay tuned. I'm gonna explain to you what not to do. Okay guys, the first deal I'm gonna do is the Boost. It's $7.99. When you buy 4, you get a $10 extra care back. I'm picking up 4 at $7.99. That's $31.96. I have a $5 off of 25 protein CRT and a $2 Boost CRT. I'm gonna use 2 of these 5 off of 2 manufacturer coupons. I'm gonna pay $14.96, getting $10 back, making them $4.96, Okay guys, so the Duracell batteries are $9.99 this week. I have 2 $5 off CRTs for the Optimum over here. So it's gonna take $10 off, it's gonna be free, and I'll get a $1 extra buck back, making it free and a $1 and penny moneymaker. Okay guys, so the Colgate deal is spend 10, get $5 back. 1 at $5.19 at 1 at $4.79 will be $9.98. There's a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. That's going to come off. You're going to get $5 back, making both of them just 98 cents. I do not pay for toothpaste, so that's too much for me, okay? But if you need it, you can do that deal. Okay guys, so I'm going to pick up 8 of these True Green paper towels. They're $4.99, but I have a CRT for $30, making it $3. It's buy one get one free. I also have a 4 off of 12 CRT. So for 8 of them is $24 minus the 12 for the buy one get one free. Minus the 4 off of 12, I should pay $8 and get $4 back, making 8 of them just $4 or 50 cents per pack, which I think is an amazing deal for paper towels, okay? So we'll see how it comes out. Okay guys, so this is my spend 45, get 15 deal. I have 4 of the Gain products at $4.94 and 4 of the Poise at $6.49. Everything here is $45.72. I have a 4 off of 22 adult care CRT. I'm gonna use 4 of these Poise coupons and 4 of these $3 Gain coupons. I'm gonna pay $17.72. I'm gonna get $15 back, and I'm gonna get $2 back on Ibotta, making them all 72 cents, okay? I'm also gonna scan the Poise to fetch, so I'll get some points back as well. Okay guys, so the tree-free green paper towels, these right here, I have 6. I picked up 6, and let me show you that receipt, and it's $1.99, not $1.99, it's $4.99. I had a CRT for $3. So I thought all of it were going to be $3, but it only made one $3. So this is that receipt right here. I picked up 6. It's buy one, get one free. I used $8 in extra bucks. I had a 4 off of 12. For some reason, I thought there was $4 back. So I'm thinking, okay, I'll get $4 back. Final price will be $4. Negative. There's nothing back, okay? So I didn't get anything back, but that's okay. I have 6, $8, about $1.25 each. That's okay. I'm not mad at it at all. The next fail is my spend 30 or spend 45 deal. That is a tiered deal, and it is not printing if you combine the products. Let's say you pick up some Tide today because the store was out of 8, just random number, and then you pick up 2 tomorrow. It's going to tell you that you're short a few dollars, but when you go back and purchase it, it's not going to print. So these are my receipts here. I did the Boost deal, the Gain, and the Poise. So $4.86, and I used my gift cards to pay. I did not get the extra care buck. I got the $10 for the boost, nothing for the gain and poise. The store manager force printed me a $14 extra buck to $10 for spending $30, and $4 for, I had a 4 off of 22 adult care CRT that did not come off because he adjusted the price of the poise, because the coupons I showed in the video does not scan. He took them anyway and he took them off, okay? So that's that. And let me show you. It's gonna tell me that I need $11. So I'm thinking, okay, I'll go pick up some more gain, because of course I love gain. I went to the store and I picked up some more gain today, and lo and behold, it still didn't print. Look at this. You need $10 more. On my other receipt as well, you need $11 more. So I'm like, okay, what is going on here? So I figured out with the tiered deal, it is one, not following the 98% rule, which I knew that, so I had $30 exactly. But he adjusted the price of the poise, which did not print my $10 extra buck. So it's not tracking either. So you can't purchase $20 in products today and $10 in products later on or tomorrow at another store. It's going to show you that you're missing $1. When you go and spend that $1, it's going to tell you you're missing $29 next. So it's a tiered promotion and it's not tracking at all. So to be honest with you, like, I can't even, I'm not even going back. I'm done. I explained the boost deal. The Glam Squad, it's purchase 3, get a $8 extra buck. I picked up 3 at $4.99, and I had a 30% off and a 20% off. And with these deals, you cannot pay with extra bucks. So I paid $8 off of a gift card from Ibotta, and I'll put my code up. If you do not have Ibotta, we both get some points. So I paid $8.37. So with the 30% off and the 20% off, it took off $6.60. I paid $8.37 before taxes, and I got $8 back. So all three, 97 cents, and it also tracks towards beauty. This right here, it's $5.99. I used a $4 off coupon, and I had a $2 CRT for the Hydro Silk. So that was free. The Gillette is buy 2, get a $10 extra care buck. I purchased 2 at, well, he adjusted the price. One is $9.99. This one is, I think, 11 or 10 something. But the manager adjusted both to $9.99 because he did not have any more of the $9.99 one. I had a 5 off of 20 shave CRT. I used 2 $3 off coupons for those. That's $11. I paid $9 and change. And I got the $10 back, okay? What else? What am I missing? Okay, the Duracell, I included that as well. This was completely free and a $1 moneymaker. The Chic Hydro, it's $8.99. There's a $4 paper coupon. There's also a $3 digital you can use. And I had a $3 CRT for the Chic Hydro. Making that free, and a $2 moneymaker, I think that was. Yeah, so this is everything. I don't even know the price, to be honest with you. Like, I don't know the price. I didn't calculate it. I got so frustrated over these things, and I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not even going to, like, look at this. I'm like, I'm not even going to calculate anything. This is just my CVS fail video, okay? So, this is everything I picked up. My baby's coming in the door. She's crawling on the floor because she doesn't want to be in the video. So guys, this is everything I picked up. If you have any questions, You can ask me in the comment section down below. Remember, purchase everything in one transaction, okay? Okay, guys, this is everything I picked up at CVS this week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.